Hello friends, in today's tutorial, I will teach you how to improve the speed of your website. Here you can see that I have opened a website, which is an e-commerce site. In this video, we will work on enhancing the speed of this website. Firstly, I will show you its current performance. For this, I will use GTmetrix. Here, you'll paste the link to your website and then click on the Analyze button. You can observe that its performance is quite poor and it's necessary to improve it. To increase the performance, let's open the WordPress dashboard. First and foremost, we will optimize the images on this website. We have two options for optimizing images. We can either use a plugin or do it manually. I would recommend manually optimizing the images for better control and customization. Image optimization means reducing the size of the image file while maintaining an acceptable level of quality. Typically, an image size should be around 50 KB to 100 KB, but it depends on the specific requirements and the content of the image. We'll show you how to optimize one image here. Using this method, you can optimize all the images on your website. Firstly, let's open the page with Elementor. Select the image you want to optimize and copy its link. You can check how large this image is. Copy the link by clicking on this button. Paste the link in the browser and simply download the image. Afterward, open your browser and type image optimizer, then press enter. You will see a link, open it. And here you can upload the image that you want to optimize. You can see that our image has been improved by approximately 50%. You can see the difference in size here. You can further optimize it if needed. And remember to ensure that the quality of your image does not degrade too much while optimizing. Once you are satisfied with the result, simply download the optimized image. Then replace the original image with the optimized one. So by using this method, you can optimize all the images on your website. Friends, the next step is to navigate to the themes section. Here you should delete all unused themes and update the one that is currently in use. After this, go to the plugin section and make sure to delete all plugins that you don't need. After this, to add a new plugin, click on Add New and search for the NitroPack plugin. Activate it once you find it. Open the settings for this plugin. You can see that the NitroPack plugin is not yet connected to our website. To connect it, go to the official NitroPack website and create an account. If you haven't already, if you've already created an account, simply log in here. You can see that since I'm already logged in, I will simply go to the dashboard. After this, click on the connect button to establish a connection with your website. You can see that the connection has been established now. After this, let's check the performance of our website again. Here, you can see that the speed of our website has significantly improved. We can further enhance it by optimizing all the images. By following these steps, you can enhance the performance of your website. If you would like assistance in improving the speed of your website, feel free to contact. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.